In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hyperlink to another Smartsheet inside your project sheet. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and have the correct permissions to edit the sheet. Then, open your main project sheet. This is the grid view where you track tasks, dates, owners, and other project details. Give it a second to load and confirm you're on the right sheet by checking the name at the top of the page. Next, decide exactly where you want this hyperlink to live. Typically, you'll place it in a specific cell in a column that makes sense, like a related sheet, details, or resources column. Click on that cell to highlight it. You should see the blue outline appear around the cell, which tells you it's currently selected and ready for editing. With the cell selected, right-click on it, or use the small drop-down arrow that appears on the right side of the cell, depending on your interface. From the menu that appears, look for the option that mentions hyperlinks. Go ahead and click on Hyperlink to open the Hyperlink dialog box. This is where you'll decide what type of link you want to create. Inside the hyperlink window, you'll see a few choices, such as linking to a URL, a report, or another Smartsheet item. For our purpose, choose the option that says Link to Other Smartsheet. This tells Smartsheet that you want this cell to act as a direct shortcut to another sheet in your workspace, which is really helpful for jumping between related project files. After choosing to link to another Smartsheet, click on the field that says something like Select Sheet. This will open a list or a browser-style window showing your available sheets. You can scroll or use the search bar to quickly find the one you need. From that list, locate the sheet named Copy of Project Sheet and click on it. This selects that sheet as the destination for your hyperlink. Once it's highlighted and selected, confirm your choice by clicking the first OK button in the dialog. You'll usually see a second confirmation step or dialog appear. Review it quickly to make sure the link target looks correct, then click OK again. The cell you started with should now display a hyperlink, often underlined or with an icon, indicating it's linked. Now, when you or anyone else clicks that cell, Smartsheet will open the linked Copy of Project Sheet, making navigation between your project documents fast and seamless.